Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is about non-renewable resources. What is non-renewable resources? Come, let's see. Non-renewable resources take millions of years to form because of the time it takes to reform them. They are considered to non-renewable resources. Are used to up, they are considered gone. Non-renewable resources are rock, minerals, oil, coal. Almost all of the energy that human use comes to type of the resources. And now, definition of the non-renewable resources. Definition: material or energy source that cannot be replaced during the time of a human lifespan. Common non-renewable resources: ores, rock as resources, fossil fuel, coal, petroleum, and natural gas. Now about non-renewable energy source: conventional petroleum, natural gas, coal, nuclear. Unconventional examples are oil shale, natural gas, hydrates in marine statement. These are the non-renewable energy sources. And now about coal, natural gas, fossil fuel, and oil. Now about coal. Coal compressed high under pressure to form decent carbon reserve. Second point, first used to 3000 years ago. Third point, powered the industrial revolution in England. Them in the other countries today is uncertain by oil, but it's still the most unbeaten fossil fuel. It provides 1/2 of the world renewable energy. And second one, natural gas. Natural gas fossil fuel mixture 50 to 90% methane CH/4. Second point, Henton C2H6. Third point, propane C3H8. Third point, butane CH4H10. Last point, hydrogen sulfide H2 and S. And now is about oil. In oil, first point, deposits of crude oil often are trapped within the earth's crust and can be extracted by drilling a well. Second point, fossil fuel produced by deposition of deeply buried organic matter from plants and animals. Crude oil, complex liquid mixture of hydrocarbons with small amounts of SON impurities. Thanks for watching, friends and teachers. See you on next video. Bye bye. This is Rakesh. Thank you. Bye bye.